Hello students, my name is Yogesh Jain and we are going to discuss the sample paper of English subject class 10th CBSE. So here we are having the sample paper of English subject. We are going to discuss the exam format, that what will be the format of the exam paper, how the questions will be asked from different sections like reading comprehension, grammar, writing skills and literature. So let's start the format and let's learn what will be the marking scheme. So here the most common instructions are, as we know, the total time will be allowed of 3 hours and the total marks will be 80 marks. 20 marks are internal, so 20 plus 80 total 100 marks. The question paper will be of 80 marks. So first of all, we are to read the instructions carefully before starting to solve the paper. So first of all, the question paper will comprises of 11 questions. There will be total 11 questions in the whole paper. All questions will be compulsory. And as we know, the question paper will be divided in 3 parts, means it will have 3 sections. Section A will be reading comprehension, section B will be grammar and creative writing skills, and section C will be literature textbook, means question C will comprise of questions of literature book of First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. So here I want to tell that section A, the marks weightage of section A will be 20 marks, section B grammar and creative writing skills 20 marks, and section C literature will be of 40 marks. Here in section B, grammar will be of 10 marks and writing skills, means letter writing and paragraph writing will be of 10 marks. So you are to attempt all questions of each part. So first of all, let's have section A, that is reading skills, total 20 marks. Here we will be given 2 reading comprehension questions, means we will be given 2 passages. First passage will be descriptive passage. Okay, first question will be of 10 marks. Here we are having a descriptive passage of about 450 words, right? And the question 1 means first passage will have total 8 questions, okay, total 10 marks. 2 questions will be of 2 marks and 8 questions, and 6 questions will be of 1 mark. And the questions, the total 8 questions will be of different kind, like objective questions, assertion and reasoning questions, vocabulary questions, and fill the dash questions. Like here we are having question one, like you are to find the phrase that has meaning of the related phrase, and we have to find it from paragraph 1. Question 2, it is complete the following with the correct option from the given, from the 2 given. We are given here 2 objectives, and we are to fill the blank with the correct objective from A or B. Here we are having a question of 2 marks, that is a subjective question. Again, question 4 is subjective question. Question 5 is true false question. You have to note this, that we are having different kind of questions: objective questions, subjective questions, fill the dash with correct option, find the true or false, find the correct synonym or antonym of the given word. Here again we are having objective question, subjective question. So this is a blend of different kind of questions. Now passage number 2, it is having total weightage of 10 marks, and passage 2 means question number 2 will be an analytical passage. Okay. In this passage we will have total 8 questions. Means here one question will be of 2 marks and other 7 questions will be of 1 mark. Again we are having objective questions, find true or false, vocabulary related questions, subjective questions, different type of questions we will have here. Now, after solving the part 1 section A, we are coming to section B, that is reading and that is writing skills and grammar. Total 20 marks. And the weightage of grammar section is 10 marks. Here we will be given total 12 questions of grammar and we have to solve any 10. And as we know, the grammar is consisting of 5 topics like tense, determiners, subject verb agreement, reported speech and modals. So, we will have questions of grammar in manner of objective questions, error finding questions, dialogue completion and edit the line questions. Like here we are having question number 1 related to tense and it's an objective question. We have to find the correct form of verb from option A, B, C and D. Question number 2 is related to error finding. You are given a line in which you are to find the error, focusing the grammar. Question number 3, again we are having the question like it is a conversation. Okay, a conversation is given to you and you are to write, you are to extend the conversation writing the appropriate sentence. It is called dialogue completion. We have questions like again we are having question, you are to find the error or you are to write the correct word from the given options. Here options are given that, these means the topic is determiner. This question is related to determiner. So, according to sentence, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct determiner to fill the dash? Again we are having dialogue completion question and question number 6. We are having a sentence here. You are to write, you are to find the error and you are to find the correction and the answer is given in options. Which is the correct option? To find the error and to find the correct error and correct correction. So, the answer is given in options A, B, C or D. You have to find the correct option. Again we are having problem of tense in objective manner. We are having question and we are to find the correct correction from the options and we should have the knowledge of tense to give the correct answer. Again it's an error finding question. The question is related to reported speech. We are to complete the dialogue writing the correct indirect speech from the given question. This question is related to modals. Modal auxiliary is the 5th topic of our grammar section. The group of friends is, are, has or were means this is a problem of subject verb agreement. We are to fill the correct form of verb according to SVA. It's an objective question. Again we are having the question of dialogue completion, reported speech. So, in this manner we are given 12 questions of grammar, we have to solve any 10. Then we come to writing section. As we know, section B will have grammar and writing. Grammar 10 parts, writing 10 parts. So, we have two topics in writing section, letter writing and paragraph writing. Letter writing will be of 5 marks. As we see here, we will be given 2 questions of letter writing and we have to solve any one. The marks weightage will be 5 marks. So, here we are given questions of letter writing and we know we have only formal letter writing, means letter to editor, letter to a newspaper for complaint or suggestion, letter for order, letter for demand, letter for supply. So, we will be given 2 questions and we have to solve any one. So, this will be the thing. And now, we are having question of paragraph writing. So, we have to make analytical paragraph writing. We have analytical paragraph writing in our syllabus. So, you should have the practice of it. It will be of 5 marks. Again, we will be given 2 questions, like here is the question 1. You will be given some hints, some description, and according to that you are to write an analytical paragraph. Okay, so it is question number 1 and with or we are having question number 2. In the same format we are having question number 2. It's your choice that which one you want to solve. Okay, some highlights, like we don't write heading or title of paragraph. You have to start it directly and we don't break it in paragraphs. It is a single paragraph or of about 125 words. Now, section D, or we can say it section C, it is literature and it has most mark weightage. It is of 40 marks. So, the questions will be asked from our books First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. Like question number 1 will be of extract based questions. It will be question number 6, first question of section D, but in continuous form it will be question number 6. So, we will be given two extracts from our book First Flight and Footprint Without Feet. Like this paragraph is from First Flight, part 1, his first flight, and we will be given 5 questions from it. It will be of total 5 marks weightage. In this we can have objective questions, subjective questions, fill the correct option questions, and we have to find the answers from the extract. Okay, in this question we will have option of solving other question, like this extract is from Bholi, chapter Bholi, from Footprints Without Feet. We will have 5 questions here of 5 marks. Then the next question, question number 7, will be related from poems. In First Flight we are given poems. So, 2 poems extracts will be given here, stanzas of 2 poems will be given here. You have to solve any one. Okay, each one will have 5 questions of 5 marks. Like here we are having the stanza, we are having the extract from the poem Tiger in the Zoo, and 5 questions are given here in different manners. Now, we are given the second extract from the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. You have to solve 5 questions from Tale of Custard the Dragon. Now, we will have some questions of short answer questions. We have to answer the questions in 40 to 50 words, and in this we will have 5 questions. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to answer any 4. You have to answer any 4 questions. Each question will be of 3 marks. Like questions are given from Miss Will the Author, A Letter to God. Madam Rides the Bus. And this question is from poem Tale of Custard the Dragon. Then we will have questions. In question number 9, we will have 3 questions and we have to solve any 2. We have to solve any 2 out of 3. We have to answer in 40 to 50 words. Each question will contain 3 marks. Like here, we are having the question from The Making of a Scientist and The Book That Saved the Earth. These questions will be from Footprints Without Feet. Question number 8 was from First Flight and question number 9 is from Footprint Without Feet. Then we have to answer long answer questions. First question will be from First Flight. We are given 2 questions in this, but we have to solve any one. Alright. Like here, we are having first questions from poems and second question is from chapter and Gregory and Sermon at Banaras. Then last question, question number 11 is from Footprint Without Feet. We are given 2 options, we are given two questions in this and we have to solve any one. Marks weightage is 6 marks of question number 10 and 11. So in this manner we have the exam format, exam paper format. We have understood what will be the exam format and what will be the marks scheme. Reading comprehension, grammar, writing section, literature, all type of questions are divided in different parts with different marking scheme. Like in a short, we can say that will be the marking scheme. In section A, we will have 2 questions of reading comprehension. In first question, we will have total 8 questions in which 2 questions are of mark 2. In second question, we will have 9 questions in which 1 question will be of 2 marks. In section B, grammar plus writing, we will have total 12 questions in which we have to solve any 10. Questions are related to tense, dialogue completion, editing, modal verbs, subject verb agreement, and in manner of editing, error, find the error, objective question and dialogue completion. Then we will have 2 questions from writing section, 1 question from letter writing, 1 question from paragraph writing. Each will contain 2 questions. We have to solve any one and the marks will be 5, 5. Letter writing 5 marks, paragraph writing 5 marks. Then we will have section C, literature. It is divided in various types. Like first question will be extract based question. Like here 6A, 6B, we have to solve any one, A or B. Marks will be 5 marks, total marks, and there will be 5 questions. Again, in question number 7, we will be given 2 questions A and B from poems. We have to solve any one, total marks 5 marks, and there will be 5 questions. Each question will contain 1 mark. Then question number 8, we will be given 5 questions. We have to solve any 4. Each question will contain 3 marks. The question number 8 will be from First Flight And question number 9, it will contain 3 questions. We have to solve any 2. Each question will carry 3 marks. Question number 9 will be related to our book Footprints Without Feet. Then we will have questions of long answer question of 6 numbers. You have to answer the question in about 120 words. Like question number 10, it will have 2 questions. You have to solve any one. It will be from first flight. Last question, question number 11 will be from Footprints Without Feet. You have to solve any one question. Okay, it will have marks of 6 marks. So this is the total, the overall site of the paper, the overall format of the paper with distribution of marks, dividation of marks. The marks scheme will be same, and the dividation of chapters, dividation of books, dividation of grammar, writing section or reading comprehension will be as we have seen. So this is very simple format. Just keep your studies going on and best of luck. Thank you.